Review Hub.
Brand name, Pterosaur. Model number, T5. Wheel size, 14-inch road tires. Wattage, 550 kilograms. Max speed, 30 to 50 kilometers per hour. Range per power, 31 to 60 kilometers. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 48 volts. Power source, lithium battery. Material, carbon steel. Battery, lithium battery 10.4 Ah. Charging time, 3-4 hours. Max speed, 32 miles per hour for USA, 25 miles per hour for EU, UK. NW/GW, 23/33 kg. Motor, 48 volts 560 W. Max range, 48 volts 750 W.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.